Right now, inside your body, something might be happening, something you won't feel, something your doctor won't see until it's too late. Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, scrolling through your phone, laughing with a friend, but inside your veins, a tiny clump of cells is quietly building a dam. When it breaks loose, it could cut off oxygen to your brain in less than 5 seconds. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people are struck down out of nowhere by a clot they never knew existed. Will you be next? Clots don't form out of thin air. They're the result of modern habits we never question. The American Society of Hematology reports 900,000 Americans are affected by blood clots annually. Risk factors include sitting too long, especially during flights or desk jobs, dehydration, which thickens your blood, smoking, which damages your blood vessel walls, birth control pills, hormone therapy, pregnancy, even some COVID-19 cases. Hailey Bieber, wife of famous singer Justin Bieber, a young, healthy model, suffered a mini stroke at her breakfast table in 2022. Later, doctors traced it back to a clot that traveled to her brain. The scariest part? She had no previous warning. Clotting is our body's frontline defense. When you get a cut, your blood forms a clot to seal the wound and prevent you from bleeding out. But sometimes, your body misfires. Platelets, which helps to form blood clots when there is a cut or injury, start clumping together when there's no injury at all. Instead of saving your life, the clot becomes a hidden killer. It can form in deep veins, a condition called deep vein thrombosis or DVT. From here, the clot can break off and travel like a ticking time bomb. Once formed, the clot doesn't just stay in one place. Your blood flow can carry it to your lungs, causing a pulmonary embolism, or it can make the deadliest journey of all, straight to your brain. The clot's journey is silent, no pain, no symptoms, nothing to warn you. CDC data confirms over 100,000 people in USA die each year due to clots, and many of them had no idea what was happening inside their own bodies. Your body cells, including brain cells, need oxygen to carry out cellular processes. This oxygen supply to cell is carried out by blood. Blood flow through the artery from heart, and consequently from the artery to capillaries, whereas the oxygen travels to the cells. But what if there is clot in the blood vessels? In an artery where clot forms, blood can't flow frequently and normally, and the adjacent cell of that artery can't get enough oxygen. Imagine the artery which has been blocked by clot located at brain. What terrible scenario could be occurs then? When a clot reaches the brain, the consequences are immediate and devastating. Oxygen is cut off. Brain cells start dying within minutes. The American Stroke Association reports that 87% of all strokes are ischemic, meaning they are caused by clots blocking blood flow to the brain. Early symptoms include sudden numbness, usually on one side, blurred or double vision, confusion, and speech problems. But often the first symptom is the final one. This isn't a medical mystery, it's a national emergency. Hailey Bieber, age 25, stroke. Serena Williams, the tennis icon, suffered life-threatening blood clots after childbirth. And the scariest part? The CDC confirms 1 in 4 people who suffer from a clot-related incident never make it to the hospital. Your blood could be plotting against you. Right now, microscopic clots could be silently forming. One bad day, one long flight, one stressful week could push them over the edge. But the danger doesn't stop here. In part 3 of this series, we'll expose everyday foods secretly thickening your blood and putting your life on the clock. The Red Room files inside your blood will be continued. Subscribe, hit the bell, your life may depend on it.